We're here at the booth of a Tony Lee with his own products. Hello.
Yes, my name is Tony Lee, and thank you. I come here to interview me, and I love to have a question here. So give me a question, and I hope I can answer more I can.
Tony, so what is the most important skill that nail technician should have to become successful, just like you?
The more important about the nail tech to be success on a nail business is about foundation. You have to understand the foundation of more. You have to learn and application, and more detail about the basics first.
So you have, besides your brand, you have your own salon, right?
Yeah. Yes.
So what do you do to attract clients?
The thing is, the clients, they don't know what they get. They try to get to the new things, but sometimes you make more detail what kind of they do every day. And you go detail about that one, and the client just go what you have to bring out for them. But again, you have to be honest what you're doing for them. Not try to make it for them and give them the best you can with the one they need. So that's how you make a better business on the nail business. Because if you be the same everybody else, you kind of competition with the price. That make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're offering the best service at the reasonable prices?
We don't call about reasonable price. We call about the when you do a nail, we don't call it reasonable price. We call about what a nail tech looking for and how much they can afford to get done, and you work on their budgets. And that's why you can bring out a nail what the budget have, and they happy what they have. That makes sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, so how long do you think it might take, somebody decided to become a nail technician, so how long it might take from zero to, decent level?
So I've been teaching a lot, and I know the thing is some students, the most thing they want to be success overnight. They forget what beginning. So if your beginning is stand up really good, your chance you can take about a year or 6 months. If you forget about beginning, they can take a year and year and year, you never get it. So like I said from beginning is has to be good, and then after that you learn by yourself to be better, but almost like a year. If you do exactly what I say.
Yeah, awesome. Thank you very much. That's a very interesting answers to our questions.
Thank you so much to be here.
Thank you. Wishing you lots of sales on your booth and, good luck overall.
Thank you so much.